If you want to record phone calls on Nothing Phone 3A, usually if you have an option to do so in your region or country, there is an option while being on a call. So if you have an ongoing call, if you are in the call menu, you should be able to find the phone record button that allows you to start recording the call. Of course, the other person will be notified about it, will be informed that you started recording, and so on. And if you aren't sure if you have the option available in your country or region, then you can go to the phone app, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you can go to settings, and then over here you are looking for the call recording option. In my case, it is not available over here. In my country or in my region, call recording is not available on phones by default. Therefore, if you are in such a situation, you need to get a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So we can go to the Play Store, and I'm gonna show you one of the apps that I have been using. It is called Cube ACR. I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. It is used to be able to record phone calls. Of course, feel free to try any other app. You can just type call recorder or something like that, and you should be able to find other apps as well. So you don't really have to use this specific one, but I'm gonna show you in this video how to set this one up. So once we have it installed, we want to press next over here. We need to grant permissions so that the app can record calls and save them and so on. Then we have power optimization, so let's press OK and press allow. Geotagging is not something that we have to have enabled. Then we can close this menu, this offer, and this one as well. And then we need to install the helper that allows the app to pretty much work properly. And in this case, we can press download helper APK. And we are now downloading the file. And once it is downloaded, we can open it. And let's press install. In case you cannot install the app because you are not allowed to install unknown apps, you will have the option to go to settings, and you will have the option to turn on the option that allows the browser to install unknown apps or apps from unknown sources. But once you have the Cube ACR helper set up or downloaded, actually, we need to set it up. So once again, we're gonna proceed to grant permissions. There we go. Then we need to go to accessibility to find app connector, and then we need to tap on it. So even though the app connector is disabled, we need to tap on it in order to show this window information that the access was denied. So press OK and then go back. Now over here we want to go to apps now. We are looking for the Cube ACR helper, and then tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we need to allow restricted settings. Verify yourself, and there we go. After that, go back, and once again go to accessibility. This time Cube ACR app connector should be available, and we need to enable it. Press allow. Now let's go and press OK, and let's allow. And there we go. Now we can open Cube ACR. The app is pretty much set up, and you should be able to start recording phone calls. And you can tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to find if recording is enabled. You can also go to recording settings in order to find some of the options. We have some more options over here as well, like for the backup and miscellaneous as well. So this app allows you to automatically record phone calls, so you don't even have to start it by yourself. And if there is a call, so let me actually call myself, but essentially after you pick up the call, you should be able to see the notification that the Cube ACR is working, that we have the automatic call recording, for example, that the helper is active, and that the call recording is in progress now. And from what I've noticed, the app should be recording at least for 5 seconds to be able to save the phone call, to save the recording. For some reason, it doesn't really work when the call lasts less than 5 seconds, but that is really unusual anyway. So once we are done with the call recording, we can go to the app, to Cube ACR, and you should be able to find your call recording over here. You can just play it. You can tap on these three dots in order to find more options, and that is essentially it. If you want to, you can also disable call recording, or automatic call recording in the settings if you prefer to have it set to manual. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you don't like this app for some reason, if you find it inconvenient or anything like that, feel free to try any other app. as long as you know how to set them up. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!